This is our main site for our project 3. If you go ahead and click on the application page, you can run the application. Let me go ahead and zoom out to make this more user-friendly. So if you take a look on the left and right side, you'll see the options for the users. For user 1 and user 2, the user has the option to choose a decade or even a genre of their choice. There's also a scroll bar option and also an artist. And according to what they choose, that data point will be highlighted in the shared section in the middle. The user also has the option to search for a certain artist and add it to a list or a genre. So you can go ahead and search something like hip hop, or Justin Bieber. And if the artist does not exist in the database, it won't be found and it'll give you notice. But if you do search someone in the database like Adele, and you click on the add button, you'll see Adele is added. Let me try. So they'll be added onto the list of up to 10. And the user also on this side has the option to do the same thing. Now as you can see, the left side user, all his data points will be highlighted in red, and the right side will be highlighted in yellow, as you can see in this force direct graph, which connects all the dots of related artists. On the leaflet map, you'll see that there's data points that will be chosen according to what the user select. So you can see North America and Europe. And if you select a certain data point, for example, if you select a certain data point, information about that artist, the location where they're from, will be highlighted and shown in a small text box. Also, there's a timeline that displays how that genre or even that artist has evolved over time. So with this genre, you can see, if I go ahead and refresh this page, you can see, one moment, this displays all the different genres throughout time. So for example, if we look at this orange one, Dixieland, you'll see that it was on the uprise from the 1900s to the 1910, and over time it did evolve, but towards the end it did seem like it was no longer played. And we have on this other side, we have jazz and some other, zoom a little bit more, jazz, traditional blue, and swing. So you can see how each genre has evolved over time. Now, the whole point of this application is for two users to interact with one another and see how their data relates to the data that the other user chose. So if I was to go ahead and choose something from the decades, and this user chooses from another decade, you can see the relativity between the two decades and how certain artists are from certain locations, or how that genre artist evolved over time during that time, or even how they might be related to other artists. There's a lot of cool things you can do with this app, and this is just the beginning. Thank you.